Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make these fried green plantains with saltfish. So stick around and enjoy the video. So first I put my saltfish to boil. I'm actually going to boil this for at least 25 minutes. The first 10 minutes I will throw off that water and then reboil it. And here are my 2 green plantains that I peeled. And these are the seasoning that I'll be using: some Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, tomato, bell peppers, scallion, and thyme. After cutting up my plantains, then I preheated my pan that I'm going to be frying these in. So this is the size that I normally cut them once I'm going to fry them and press them. So you just want to ensure that your flame is on medium heat, and also once each side is browned, then we're going to just turn them. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes. And once they're looking like this, now I'm going to be removing them from the pan and press them. If you don't have a plantain smasher, you can just use one of your teacups like I am doing here. So I'm just pressing them while they're hot. It makes the process easier. And after I do this step, I normally add them to some water with about a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of salt or so, just to let them have, a nice taste. And we're going to refry them after this step. And here I am just re-adding them to the paper towel just to get the excess water off before we fry them, okay? And now I'm going to refry them. This takes about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, and that should be enough just to get them golden brown and crispy on the edges. And after the first 2 minutes, I'm just turning these over. This is a pretty simple and easy way to have your green plantains. It's actually one of my favorite ways to have them. And you can try this recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, okay? So now I'm just removing them from the pan, and I'm also resting them on some more paper towel just to get the excess grease, okay? Aren't they looking lovely? They taste so delicious. All right, let's move on to our next step, to my seasonings. So now we're just adding those to the same pan, and we're just going to saute the onions, scallion and thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper along with the garlic first for about a minute or so until they become fragrant. And next we're going to add our bell peppers and tomato and just saute for about 30 seconds or so. Okay guys, here's my saltfish after it was cooked. I'm now going to flake and debone this, and now I'm adding it to my pan. Okay, and just for a little flavor, I will be adding in about a pinch of my Maggi fish seasoning, and I'll also be adding in some black pepper because we don't need a lot of seasoning in our saltfish because I did not cook out all of the salt, so you also have to be mindful when adding any type of seasoning to your saltfish. And now I'm just mixing everything together, and after about a minute I will remove it from the flame. And here it is, guys. Once it's all done, this dish is very delicious and it's also simple and easy to make. I hope you try it for your family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.